Before jumping in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our weekly uploads. As fall is approaching, we wanted to give you some planting inspiration. We've combed through our entire nursery and selected 3 of our favorite plants for autumn. Stay tuned for a brief grow guide of each. First and foremost, we wanted to introduce you to one of our favorite ornamental grasses. Mullygrass is a super unique plant with beautiful color. Throughout most of the year, mullygrass may look like typical green grass, but in the autumn it blooms a gorgeous pink color that is always breathtaking. Mullygrass is also a native southern plant and very drought tolerant. It can also thrive in a wide range of soil sites. However, it doesn't do well in wet conditions, so be sure that the soil is at least well draining. A lot of gardeners use mullygrass as a ground cover, so just remember to space them at least 3 feet apart, considering they reach about 2 to 3 feet tall and wide at maturity. Mullygrass can survive in USDA zones 6 through 9. Be sure that your mullygrass is planted in a spot that receives full sun for about 6 to 8 hours and water about once a week until the plant is established. Its beautiful pink feathery plumes give off an airy feeling to your garden and just adds to the fall color around your yard. Be sure to check out our plant listing on myperfectplants.com for a more in-depth description. Up next, we'd like to introduce the Frostproof Gardenia. Frostproof gardenias grow best in direct, full sunlight and prefers to be planted in an area with well-draining, acidic soil. Be sure to water your plant weekly during the spring season for best results. This variety of gardenia can be potted if desired and pruned to maintain a size as small as 12 to 14 inches tall. When planted in the ground outdoors, it can grow to be about 3 feet tall. However, a fully mature frostproof gardenia has been seen to get up to 5 feet tall and 4 feet wide when grown outdoors, but this is a slow-growing plant and it would take several years for it to reach this size. It's also deer-resistant. Our last plant may surprise you, but peach trees are the perfect fall plant. Though its fruit is ready to be harvested during the summer, fall is the perfect time to plant a young peach tree. Peach trees can survive in USDA zones 5 through 9. They prefer well-draining and slightly acidic soil. If your goal is fruit production, be sure to use a slow-release fertilizer in the early spring. When the tree has matured, the fruit should be able to be harvested by late summer to early fall. Peach trees like to be planted in spots that receive about 6 to 8 hours of full sun. When cared for properly, they reach up to 12 to 15 feet tall. They are also self-fertile, but will cross-pollinate with other peach varieties if you choose to plant them nearby. This will increase fruit load. Peach trees do go dormant over the winter, meaning they will lose all of their green foliage, but of course their beautiful leaves and flowers will make their return the following spring. We hope we've inspired you to get out there and do some planting as the weather cools down. Feel free to comment any questions you may have below, or visit our website at myperfectplants.com. You can find us on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook as well. Until next time, happy planting.